today I'm getting toxins put in my masseter. I suffer from very bad neck pain, shoulder pain, headaches, and even down to my lower back from jaw clenching, which I do in my sleep. I do have a splint, but it doesn't give the relief that the toxins do, in that they actually will relax the muscle and give me the inability to clench my jaw at any time during the day. In the past, I've cracked teeth and had to go to the dentist, and I've found getting this particular treatment done, this is the second time I've done it. It has lasted me for over 12 months. Extremely effective and absolutely life-changing for me. Some mornings I would wake up and I couldn't eat my breakfast, I couldn't chew because of the absolute pain in my jaw. So for me to have this treatment done, it completely changes the way I function, the way I sleep, and how I feel all throughout the day.